So AI will be the inevitable future of our times, and I think we might start to see more and more AI implementations in earbuds in 2021. The industry looks pretty excited for many of this new tech, and Mobvoi is one of the companies that is spearheading this technology. Today we're taking a look at Mobvoi's latest AI earbuds to see if these earbuds are any good. Welcome to a review of the Mobvoi Earbuds Gesture. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Mobvoi Earbuds Gesture. Today we're going to take a first look at these earbuds, and these earbuds are graciously sent to me by Mobvoi for review, and although these were sent out to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. The Mobvoi retails for about US$90 and that is about 360 Malaysia ringgit. It's not priced in a range of budget earbuds, but for one of the very first AI earbuds, I think it's justified. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of the links in the description below and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So I must say that the earbuds are very well built. The Earbuds Gesture doesn't flaunt its quality through exotic materials, but for the plastic that it's built with, it feels solid, smooth, and high quality. The case of the Mobvoi is very simple, very slim, very small case, and definitely one that fits in the small pocket of your jeans. So the top of the case, you get some horizontal lines across the top of the case, and I think this adds some design cue. This really helps prevent scratches where other earbuds usually pick them up very easily. So the front of the case, you have the Mobvoi branding there, not overly large, and there will also be two LED charging indicators, which from reading the manual, I don't think they tell you the battery level of the case. And on the right side itself of the case, there will be a USB-C charging port, which should be the standard for any new earbuds today, and the case here doesn't support wireless charging. The opening action of the case is really smooth, but doesn't have a hinge that will hold the lid in place. And once you're inside, the earbuds are super high quality with a completely gloss black finish, and it doesn't feel like a cheaply made earbud. All the seams are very smooth, the stem is also very smooth, and you can feel that these earbuds is very chunky and very deliberately hefty to give you that high quality feeling. And also at the stem, you get the very smooth and very nice vertical line design, very similar to the case itself. So apart from that, these will be your very typical in-ear style earbuds. The earbuds will give you about 12 hours of continuous playback time, and the case boosts that with additional 3 times charges, and that gives you a total of 50 hours of playback time. So this is of course tested at a very conservative volume level, and the louder you play, the shorter the battery life. The earbuds takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. So one more thing I want to point out for the design of the Mobvoi Earbuds Gesture is that how much attention to detail they actually put into this case. So you can see that at the top here, there is a rubber lining, very soft and very plush, and that provides you some added protection for your earbuds when you close them inside the case. So the feature of the Earbuds Gesture is pretty decent, and we do see many newer features on other earbuds. These earbuds come with an Iroha Bluetooth 5.0 that supports both the AAC and SBC audio codec to provide you with the best possible audio performance. The earbuds also supports an IPX5 water resistant rating, and that provides you with sufficient protection for your workout needs and even getting caught under the rain. The earbuds also provide you with seamless mono and stereo mode, and it's pretty awesome that you are able to use these earbuds separately, and it's as though the earbuds are always connected to your phone and never stopped. Also, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. So lastly, there is also an AI feature which Mobvoi calls TicMotion, and it allows you to pick up or reject phone calls if your hands are full. So to pick up phone calls, all you gotta do is nod your head, and to reject, just shake your head. The Mobvoi app is also very simple and provides you with technically one customization. So the app allows you to check your battery percentage of the earbuds, and if you go into the settings of the earbuds, you can see that it allows you to customize whether or not to enable TicMotion head control on your earbuds or not. So if you're someone who likes to hit bang a lot, I think TicMotion head control off is better, because as and when a phone call comes in and you nod your head, it will pick up the phone call, right? So below this is basically a touch definition, as it says there. So this doesn't allow you to change any of the the controls, but allows you to take a look at what are the music controls that these earbuds come with, so you can remember what is play and pause, what is to answer and reject phone calls, and so on and so forth. So basically those are some of the things that you can do with the Mobvoi app. So the earbuds gives you a very balanced, very high quality audio performance throughout the range, and I like how everything just feels and sounds really polished. The bass on these are not your hardcore bass head type of bass, but it's gradual and very deep. It's not thumping and rumbling like most bass oriented earbuds, and to get the most out of this bass, you really gotta blast these earbuds. The clarity on these earbuds is also very good, and even at higher volumes when the bass is working, you can still hear the mids and highs really well. So soundstage is also pretty decent, and the separation on these is really good, giving you very good spatial separation for instruments and sound, so watching videos on this feels really nice. So the call quality on these earbuds is also very good for modern earbuds and gives you good quality sound in quiet and noisy environment. You can still hear that it doesn't cut out most of the background noise, but fortunately sound still comes through nice and clearly. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Mobvoi Earbuds Gesture is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So latency on these earbuds are okay and has pretty good control when watching videos on YouTube or Netflix, and it's a really enjoyable experience with no noticeable delay. Playing games on these is decent with a slight amount of lag, so casual gaming on these is still pretty acceptable. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. If you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. Overall, I'm really excited to see how AI will change the landscape of earbuds in the future, and for what we have now, I think these are pretty decent. As a normal in-ear style earbuds, I definitely recommend them for all your music needs. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.